Did you know mindfulness is much more than just a relaxation technique? It's actually transforming your brain, literally. Research from Harvard University has shown that consistent mindfulness practice can physically change brain structure. This remarkable process is called neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. When you practice mindfulness, the prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for attention, self-control, and emotional regulation, becomes thicker and stronger. Meanwhile, the amygdala, which controls the body's fight-or-flight response and stress reactions, actually becomes smaller and less active, reducing anxiety and stress levels significantly. But it doesn't stop there. Mindfulness also boosts your overall health. Studies have found that regular mindfulness practice can lower blood pressure, enhance your immune response, and even slow down the aging process of cells, thanks to increased telomerase activity. Simply put, mindfulness isn't just good for your mind, it's great for your body too. By dedicating even just a few minutes a day, you're investing in both mental clarity and physical health. Up next, we'll explore powerful stories of real-life transformations. Stick around, you won't want to miss it. Mindfulness isn't just a concept, it's a practice that has profoundly impacted many lives. Let's explore a real-life example that showcases its transformative power. In Australia, a program called Smiling Mind introduced mindfulness practices into primary schools. Students as young as 6 participated in meditation and breathing exercises aimed at enhancing mental health and resilience. According to a study by the Australian Council for Educational Research, this initiative led to remarkable outcomes. 1 in 3 students reported improved focus in the classroom, and 24% found playtime more enjoyable. Additionally, 20% of the children felt less worried about their schoolwork, and 16% found it easier to resolve friendship issues. Teachers also observed significant benefits. Nearly all reported that the program fostered a more positive learning environment and enhanced students' social and emotional skills. This case exemplifies how mindfulness can be seamlessly integrated into daily routines, yielding substantial improvements in focus, emotional well-being, and interpersonal relationships. It's not just about individual transformation. Mindfulness can cultivate healthier, more harmonious communities. Whether you're a student, a professional, or anyone seeking greater balance, mindfulness offers accessible tools to enhance your quality of life. Inspired by these real-world successes, you might be wondering how to embark on your own mindfulness journey. Stay with us as we guide you through simple, practical steps to incorporate mindfulness into your daily life. Ready to start your mindfulness journey? Let's dive into simple, practical steps you can begin immediately. Step 1. Find your space. Choose a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. It could be a cozy corner of your room, a peaceful outdoor spot, or anywhere you feel relaxed. Step 2. Get comfortable. Sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes or soften your gaze, whichever feels better for you. Step 3. Focus on your breath. Begin by gently directing your attention to your breath. Notice how it feels as air moves in and out of your body. Don't control or change your breathing, just observe. Step 4. Observe without judgment. Thoughts and distractions will naturally arise. When they do, simply acknowledge them without judgment, and gently redirect your focus back to your breathing. Step 5. Practice regularly. Start small. Just 5 minutes each day can make a huge difference. As you become more comfortable, gradually extend your mindfulness sessions. Remember, consistency is key. Mindfulness is like exercising a muscle. The more you practice, the stronger it gets. In the next section, we'll address common misconceptions and mistakes to help you stay on track and get the most out of your mindfulness practice. As you begin your mindfulness practice, it's important to clear up common misunderstandings to help you stay on the right track. Misconception 1. Mindfulness means clearing your mind completely. Reality mindfulness is about observing your thoughts without judgment, not eliminating them. It's normal to have thoughts. The key is to gently acknowledge and refocus. Misconception 2. You need to spend a lot of time to see benefits. Reality. Even short, regular sessions of just a few minutes can significantly improve your well-being. Consistency matters more than duration. Now let's look at some common mistakes. Mistake 1. Becoming frustrated with distractions. Solution. Accept distractions as part of the process. Each distraction is an opportunity to gently return your focus to your breath, strengthening your mindfulness skills. Mistake number 2. Expecting immediate results. Mindfulness benefits build gradually over time. So stay patient and compassionate with yourself as you continue your practice. By understanding and overcoming these misconceptions and mistakes, you'll create a more positive and effective mindfulness practice. Mindfulness doesn't need to disrupt your daily routine. In fact, it enhances it. Here are practical tips for making mindfulness a natural part of your day. Tip 1. Morning mindfulness. Begin your day mindfully. Take just a few minutes each morning to focus on your breath and set a calm, positive intention for the day ahead. Tip 2. Mindful breaks. Throughout your day, pause briefly to reconnect with your breath and surroundings. Short mindful breaks can help you manage stress and maintain focus. Tip 3. Mindful activities. Incorporate mindfulness into everyday activities like eating, walking, or even brushing your teeth. Fully engage your senses and stay present in these moments. Tip 4. Use mindfulness reminders. Set reminders on your phone or place visual cues around your home or workspace to prompt mindful moments throughout the day. Tip 5. Reflect regularly. End your day with a short reflection, noting what you learned or appreciated. This reinforces mindfulness practice and fosters gratitude. Integrating these simple practices consistently can profoundly transform your daily life, improving your overall well-being. Congratulations on making it this far. You've discovered how mindfulness can transform your health and daily life. Let's briefly recap what we've learned. Mindfulness enhances brain structure, reduces stress, and supports overall physical health. Real-life examples show mindfulness significantly improving people's well-being and quality of life. Simple mindfulness practices can easily become part of your everyday routine, offering profound benefits. Now it's your turn. Take action today. Start small, stay consistent, and be patient with yourself. Remember, mindfulness is a lifelong journey, not a quick fix. If you found value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe to stay connected. Share your mindfulness experiences and questions in the comments. We'd love to hear your story. Thank you for joining us. Here's to your health, happiness, and a mindful life.